We have such proof that will show the whole country that the institution of the Election Commission does not exist. And you will see the shockwave that is going to go through the electoral system when we release this data. It's literally like an atom bomb. Now we have concrete 100% proof of Election Commission allowing cheating in a seat in Karnataka. Not 90%. When we decide to show it to you, it is 100% proof. We just looked at one constituency and we found this. And I'm absolutely convinced that constituency after constituency, this is the drama that is taking place. If 15 seats were rigged, he would not be the Prime Minister of India. The Election Commission vote चोरी में involved. किसके लिए करा रहा है? किसके लिए करा रहा है? बीजेपी के लिए करा रहा है. I want to send a message to Election Commission. Yes, sir. If you think you're going to get away with this, if your officers think you're going to get away with this, you're mistaken. You're not going to get away with it because we are going to come for you.
Eligible voters in the voters list.
Stop ಮಾಡಿ.
Some new people are included in the voters list. That means to say they are not the voters of the. That is what.
ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಾವಧಾನದಿಂದ ಕುತ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಮುಖವಾದಂಥ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ. ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ರಾಹುಲ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಅವರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ರಾಹುಲ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಜಿಂದಾಬಾದ್ ಅಂತ. ರಾಹುಲ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ, ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾರ್ಜುನ್ ಖರ್ಗೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ, ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯನವ್ರಿಗೆ, DK ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ, KC ವೇಣುಗೋಪಾಲ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ, ಸುರ್ಜೇವಾಲಾ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದೇ ಮಾತರಂ. ಇವಾಗ ಅದಾದ ನಂತರ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಸೇವಾದಳದವರು ಬಂದು ಒಂದೇ ಮಾತರಂ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊತೀನಿ.